Hey guys, we are here with another video, and this one is a review. And as you can see, we have a headphone with us, that is Rockerz 400. This is a very famous or most bought headphone on Amazon. So I'm going to do an honest review. As you can see, it is already open, and you might know, or you can see it, that it is a little used. That is why it's a used review. I have used it for some days with all types of devices, and now I'm going to tell you how it works. So first we'll get to the box. What does the box claim? It claims featherlight, super extra bass, wireless function in HD definition, and yes, that's what. And with it comes a user manual and a brochure with all the different types of products of both, and plus and 1 year warranty card. As you can see, it's an 1 year warranty card, and this is very important because nowadays in online shopping we have very much frauds going on, so this warranty part plays a important role in this. And so as you can see, we have the headphone here. This is the on button, and this is the charging for wireless. There are microphones, 4 microphones, means 2 microphones with 4 types, and here's an aux cable adapter, and here is the cable, and it's quite long. If you see, it's very long, so it's very useful for many purposes. And yes, so it is available in many colors. This one is the most famous color. So as you can see, this is green and gray color. It comes in black and blue, black and red, and only black. So its MRP is 3000 rupees. As you can see, MRP is 3000 rupees, and we will review it on what it claims. First, feather light. Yes, it is light. I can tell you that. You can trust me on this one. It is lightweight, and yes, it's useful for those who are using it for online classes and for travel and other purposes, such as normal personal use, some videos and all that stuff. This is not meant for too much of gaming like 3-4 hours, or this is okay till you wear it till 2 hours. After that, it will put some pressure on your ears. So that's one advice I would like to give you. And this is I like this, that it is very flexible and all can wear it. Yes, that's one. Yes, moving on to the super extra bass. Yes, it has bass. It's a very good speaker. It's better when you use the wire to it, and it's good with the Bluetooth also. But when you need high quality music or video, then you must or you should use the cable. It is very good. And talking about the battery life, its battery life as claimed here, it's 8 hours battery life, and charging time 2 hours. Yes, charging time is correctly given you. Charging time is 2 hours or less than that. Means it does not get fully down. So music playback, it claims to be 8 hours, but I would say you must we will take it as 5-6 hours, because the time we use it is not correct, but it claims it is 5-6 hours according to me, because I have used it for some days, and not for some days, like a week or so, and yes, so yes, the wireless music, this helps a lot. This is the play or pause button. This is front or and down, and this also can be used for the volume, and that's what its claim is. And carry around, yes, carry around, one more. It is very easy to carry. If you put on the wire, still it is like this. You can carry it. This is the best one. You can carry it like this. Yes. And the wire also can be folded around this one, so it's good. It's very good actually. So let's go to the manual. So guys, let's take a look at the card or the so guys, let's take a look at the specifications given once again. So as you can see, it's a Bluetooth version V2.1, and yes, the Bluetooth can last up to 10 meters until any wall is there in between you. If there is a wall, it can get disconnected. It doesn't get disconnected, but the voice breaks, or if there are 2-3 walls or long wall, then it might get disconnected. So yes, charging time 8 hours. We saw all this. Battery is 300 mAh, and LED indicators. Yes, there are indicators on the side. Yes, there's an indicator here. Yes, this one. Sorry guys, yes, this one is an indicator. I'll show you how it works. So we have this. So this is connected. This is not connected. If it gets connected, the light stops blinking. And yes, there are audio that you can hear while if you start like this.
Power on, you plugged into Nirvana.
Power on, you plugged into Nirvana, and
Adios amigo, powering on.
Adios amigo, powering off. That's two things that you can see in this one. Okay, next we have approximate of 118 grams rated power output. This is not that much important to us, but yes, 3.5 millimeter audio cable, which is the normal USB cable, and yes, on and off button, volume and track, and the other ones. So yes, that's all. For pairing, it's easy. We will show you how to pair it once again. Yes, calls and all those are the basic instructions which every phone or headphone has.